Alright, if you love books, cozy vibes, and hands-on creativity, you're going to love this. This is the Cutebee DIY Book Nook Kit, a miniature wooden bookshop scene that fits right into your bookshelf, and honestly, it's more than just decor. It's an experience. In a world that's always rushing, this kit is all about slowing down. Piece by piece, you build a beautiful retro-style book nook with warm lighting that instantly transforms your shelf into a tiny storybook world. What I really love is how therapeutic this is. Whether you're building it alone to relax and unwind, or making it together with family or kids, it turns into a meaningful, screen-free moment. Every tiny detail you assemble feels rewarding, calming, and surprisingly satisfying. Once it's finished, it's not just something you made. It's something you feel. It adds character to your room, sparks conversations, and makes an amazing gift for book lovers, crafters, or anyone who appreciates thoughtful decor. If this is something you'd love to try or gift to someone special, click the link in the description below to buy and check the latest price. And if you enjoy discovering unique products like this, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more reviews and cool finds.